Building stories are the floor levels read from your IFC model. Select the stories you want to work with. Or select all stories from a single file with one simple click. The stories you select become your floor plans, which will be used throughout the project. Under Floor Plans, you find the stories you selected earlier. You can rename a plan and tune its height range. The offsets and the cutoff plane control how much of the model the plan shows. Use the eye icon to preview the cut planes in 3D so you can see exactly where each floor is being sliced. In the Sections area, you can access any manually stored section box view within your project. Selected building stories or floor plans will automatically be added as section box views.